I wake up to this no internet business probably 4 days out of 7. I hate it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Making Play-Doh.
Yeah. So he's got figures all up in here. He can smash. It's awesome.
Smash figures?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm trying to smash these. This is a face.
And you got a frog. What the heck is this? I think it's a duck.
A duck?
If it's a duck, it's got an awful lot of toes. I guess that's right. I think they got like 3 or 4 toes, yeah?
Boom!
We'll have to look that up. I actually don't know. Hi-ya!
Now I'm going to take this color and smash it on the other one over here. Over here. It goes over here.
Smash it on here.
On there?
Yeah, I want to see a teddy bear.
A teddy bear?
Yeah.
Have
to do this on the glass table.
On this
Obviously.
What is this animal?
That's something that Muriel got him.
That's my queen. And this, what kind of animal is that? What kind of it?
Is it a dog? What the heck is that? It's like a dog.
It's like one?
Yeah. Alright, push it in there.
I'll push it in this one first. Smash.
Smash! Strong! What you got?
I'm making it.
What is it?
I don't know.
Kitty wants to know what it is. It's a dog.
It's a dog?
It's like a big fluffy poodle dog.
A big fluffy?
That's right.
Fluffy.
This is the coloring thing that he got. This is like all my papers from the car. But this is a coloring thing he got from the doctor. I thought it was Kofiko from Israel, but no, it's Dora. It's from Dora the Explorer.
Or do you even know it's a monkey?
Yeah, it's a monkey. It's a monkey, like donkey.
Donkey?
Got some remnants over there. She eating a cracker? Hello. I gave her mixed fruit this morning. She had fruit for breakfast. Oh, you don't like that? You don't like that? Are we playing? Are we playing? Yeah. Yeah, are we playing? Are we playing? Are we? Oh! I just electroshocked her in the mouth. I'm sorry, that wasn't me. That was nature. Very sorry. Very sorry. Very sorry. La. Are you meowing at me? Hey! She's such a teenager. Quit biting. Quit biting. Quit biting. Quit smacking yourself. Quit smacking yourself. Yeah, quit smacking yourself. Oh. I know you too well. Ah! She smacked me in my legs. Go to your room. Go to your room, you unruly teenage kitty. Yeah.
What the sick? Tuba!
Tuba.
What the sick?
Trombone.
Boo, 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 boo.
Xylophone.
I'm scraping this off Because I need it to be something. It's going to get smashed on the leg.
We are going to gymnastics. Daddy is at home with Abigail again, thank goodness. And it's because we don't have to take her. Also, Rafael. I was going to say something about Rafael. I forget though. There's some kind of very heavily scented smell out here. When they come and clean, they clean with like heavy chemical cleansers. And it really gives me a headache instantly.
Not me.
Have fun and be good, okay?
We're at gym, and I'm going to try to win Mickey.
Yeah, you're going to be as good as possible to win Mickey. Good luck.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later when I come back.
Okay. He's still talking. He says, see you later when I go back. I'm going to go to the something something and I'm going to win Mickey. Okay. So, he better win Mickey. We're all counting on you. She has a stroller, and I just have to say, most of Israel is not handicap friendly. Like, this whole thing is stairs. There's like 5 stairs, and then there's another 4 stairs, so it's like not handicap friendly at all. You'll see he's gonna go down some stairs right now. And there's no ramp or anything. Sometimes they, you know, add it in later, but as far as it being handicap friendly for everyone, it's really not. I did something a little stupid in that I didn't charge my phone. I couldn't remember what I did that was not smart. Anyway, I'm gonna be here for like an hour with no phone and nothing to do. So I thought maybe I could make a video, but then I don't have my notes from the other day when I was gonna make a video for my weight loss channel, and my hair is really not that nice right now because I didn't fix it. I just brushed it. And this is my natural hair, by the way. The wave, and then in the back, straight. So it always looks stringy. This is just my hair. And not everybody is the same. And not everybody is always camera ready when they wake up and they brush their hair and they put their makeup on. Not everybody is glamorous. Me, I am good enough. I'm always good enough. Uh-oh. She lost half of her herd. I'm bored, can you tell? These are all brother and sister. See how they take care of each other? Well, he didn't get Mickey, but he sure is first.
Hey, somebody brought me playdoh. It's like grandma. Yeah, right. Playdoh. Hi, Abigail.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
How are you?
We got some toys that don't belong over here.
Yeah, we do. That's
Like
normal.
the robot.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi.
And the robot's remote.
What?
Here's my race car.
Man, you did a good job, Rafael. Look at it.
Yeah.
Perfection.
And this
I'm
hair,
making tuna, so she's like all over me.
this is going to go on top so it can be a bike, I think.
A boik. I like a boik. Let me see. Man, look at that. That's skill right there, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, this is the exit. So they must mean, look, right? So they want us to exit from the other side. Of course.
Yeah, because they can't get a stroller down that.
The next level doesn't have any bunnies. Cat and dog containers.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. FoolyLiving.
Love you. Bye.
Pepper. This is how we say pepper. Woo! We're going to talk about my strong skills. I want to look through it
As if!